She would love to have Rihanna in her squad.
Adele's squad is a bunch of smart, funny girls, and she'd love to have Rihanna join them. I guess I have my own squad. It's not as interesting as some of the other squads that are around right now. But maybe Rihanna can be in my squad. That would be really cool. Oh God. She's life itself. Isn't she? I love her.
Motherhood made her give up smoking and drinking.
Adele loved her smokes, but she hates death more, especially now that she's a mother. It's not that f***ing cool when I'm dying from a smoking-related illness and my kid is, like, devastated, she said. She's also cut way back on the drink. I used to be able to drink anyone under the table and still be able to put on an all-right show, she says. But with kids, hangovers are torture. They just know. They pick up on it and just go for you.
A more rigorous vocal routine added 4 notes to the top of her range.
A 2011 vocal hemorrhage and subsequent throat surgery caused the singer to protect her voice more than she ever had. The work she's done to strengthen her voice has had some surprising results. It does make your voice like brand new, she said, which I actually didn't like at first, because I used to have a bit of husky to my voice, and that wasn't there at first.
She nearly mowed down Sean Combs with a golf cart.
She nearly mowed down Sean Combs with a golf cart.
She still doesn't care what anyone thinks about how she looks.
In 2015, she gave up sugar, not carbs, and trimmed down, but Adele is about being healthy and is not about take anyone's criticism seriously. I'm not going to lose weight because somebody tells me to, she said. I make music to be a musician, not to be on the cover of Playboy.
She is not into dating celebrities.
She may get starstruck around her idols, but she is not into dating famous folks. I've been on a few dates with celebrities, but I don't like it. You go out and everyone looks at you both. I'm not going to say who. We go to really established places that know how to keep their king mouths shut. Then, everyone wants to K a celebrity, so I wouldn't trust them.
She has an alter ego named Sasha Carter.
To stave off extreme nerves before performing, she created a persona to help her cope. She slips into her alter ego Sasha Carter to perform an homage to both Beyonce and June Carter Cash. I was about to meet Beyonce, she told Rolling Stone. I had a full-blown panic attack. Then she popped in looking gorgeous and said, "You're amazing. When I listen to you, I feel like I'm listening to God." I went out on the balcony crying hysterically, and I said, "What would Sasha Fierce Beyonce's alter ego do?" That's when Sasha Carter was born.
She charges money for fans to meet her backstage, then gives the cash to charity.
You must donate at least to Sands if you want to meet Adele backstage. She's raised thousands of dollars for the charity this way.
She's halfway to an EGOT.
She's won 86 awards and received 168 nominations, including an Oscar, 10 Grammys, 1 Golden Globe, 2 Glamour Women of the Year awards, 13 Billboard Music Awards, BT Digital Music Award, and 4 American Music Awards. All she needs is an Emmy and a Tony, and she'll have that EGOT. More Adele. The best Adele albums. Ranked 8 of 739. The best singers of all time. 1 of 198. The greatest new female vocalists of the past 10 years.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.